Welcome to my channel. Let's talk physics. Accepted literature about space and space travel. Giving it a twist, let's talk about light. In physics, light travels at a specific velocity. It's massless and has a definite speed limit. Referring to Einstein's train and observations, we can refer the SP ace vacuum being void if interfering effects like inertia, mass, space is mostly empty and considered as to giving little to no gravity. Keeping this in mind, we have a train. This train represents the space fabric, as it's called in relativity theory. But space is expanding. Einstein didn't know this until 10 years after he published his work in physics. But our train represents the tracks light travels on while passing through space. Light follows the grid or fabric in its twists and turns, passing deep gravity wells that curve space. Light travels this course, so evidence shows light travels on the grid surface coupled to the grid. Physicists say that light cannot travel faster than its internal properties, which are protons. When light curves approaching gravity well, S hilly surface dense. It follows the curve, but it also blue shifts bending or red shifts expanding over the curves. By doing this, the train, which is expanding space, that travels faster than light. Physicists claim that light cannot change its definite speed, the speed of light. My argument is that the light signal is a passenger on the grid. Consider it as light is inside the expanse train, and yet physicists say it still stays at light speed. As a passenger, the light signal is in all actuality a passenger. It is a passenger. The train travels faster than light. The passengers in that train are in all actuality traveling faster than light. Their argument is that the light is stretched as it travels on the grid, that even though the light is coupled and follows the grid even inside the train, it is still only traveling at light speed. If light is a passenger in the train, it can vibrate all it wants. But physically, being in the train coupled to it, the light travels at the same speed as the train. This may seem like the train is a traveling ship traveling in space coupled to the grid, so acts as a messenger on the train, thus is not traveling faster than light does, but coupled to the grid. That's the surface of the space fabric. Without traveling itself as a carrier force, the light travels attached to the expanse surface faster than light. Physicists won't agree with this. Light is independent, so will not travel superluminal speeds, even coupled to something like our train that travels faster than it. The carrier force does not care who or what you are when coupled to it. The speed is measured by how much force or thrust, meaning light, is boosted through space. The carrier force does just that, carries the force applied to it, no matter what speed it is launched at. Keep in mind, protons gave a definite superposition that it takes time to calculate. That time has never been calculated to a single second. Secondly, thrust in space is the push. An item like light can be pushed. If that boost is greater than light speed, guess what? That's the speed space will abide by. Hope you like my video. All things in empty space can travel faster, having the boost to do so. Rodney Kowecki.